So I'm going to explain to you how to set up HP Click. That's where you make the poster maker. My voice is pretty bad because I'm trying to get rid of a cold. But you're going to look for the HP Click, which is this one here. I'm going to drag it here in the middle so you can see it. HP Click is you're going to double click it. It takes a few seconds to start up. Okay, now it's going to give you an area to drop your files. So, for example, on the drop, we did the one-way main, so I'm going to do another one because I think you might want to be able to use this one. So I got the one-way. It shows me this small portion. Now I want to adjust it to make the full poster size. So right here where it says a letter, there's a down arrow. I click it, and I click fit to source landscape or fit to source portrait. If I want to do the whole poster, it's fit to source portrait. Here's a fit to source portrait. It shows you the whole poster. And now my next step is just to press print. Now in your print, it should be saying checking and sending 0, 1. Okay, you can cancel if you want to. Once you see sending 0, 1, you should be okay. I would double check the poster maker first before to make sure it's turned on. And it usually sleeps, so it turns on by itself. But just make sure there's no obstructions in front of the poster maker. The parent and the parent center know how to deal with the poster maker, so they'll make it. I'll print it out, and then they'll laminate it for me. They'll come and ask me if I want to laminate it. I'll usually go up there and ask them to laminate it. It's very simple. So all I need is once you have the HP Click, once you have the HP Click in your desktop, you should be able to do any posters. So what I'm going to do on my computer is I'm going to set up a user for each one of you to come and use my computer because it's already directly um, connected to the poster maker. I can also try connect it to your computer if you want to. Just to give you it take a little bit longer time to do it. Whatever it's easier for you guys. But right now, it's the best way is just to come to my office. From here, open your site and then go into HP Click and follow the same instructions and everything. Okay, it should be sending 0 to 1. When it's done, it's gonna disappear. And that's about it about making poster maker. Now let me show you some other features. Let me drop it. It should let you drop JPEGs or PDFs. If it doesn't let you drop something, then you need to go back. Oh, there you go. Once it's sent and finished, now I can drop. Once you set up print job, you can do anything else. Again, here it's a letter size. There's different half size. You can make it fit source landscape. If you don't want it, just you can delete it. You can also make extra copies of it. 2 more copies. Sometimes it will work and you can print it out that way and it'll be fine. Sometimes it'll shut down or close or not work. It was send, it was an error. If it does that, just go ahead and close. It gives you an error or disconnect in the bottom, like 2 lines are disconnected or it says error. Just go ahead and close and restart HP Click again. Okay. Excuse me. So I'm gonna add min files. Just give me different files. So just to see, you can decide to make different sizes. So this one, let's make this a full poster size. Let's make this a half size. Let's make this half size there. Awesome. So you can make it different and then print them out. And that's what you need for the HP poster maker. Okay, just if you have any more questions. I can sit with you and try the first one and see